Now we're going to make sure that you can find your phone even if it's turned off thanks to the Find My network. If you saw my previous video where we prevented someone from being able to access the control panel if it's locked, then this is going to be a super good complement to that video. If you didn't see that video, I've linked that one up here so you can watch that one after. It's also linked in the description and comment box. So to be able to make your phone findable via the Find My network, even if it's turned off by someone that steals it, for example, then go into settings, go to your account at the top, then we go to Find My, and in Find My you go to Find My iPhone at the very top. And now we're going to make sure that we have Find My network enabled, because here it says that participating in the Find My network let you locate this iPhone even if it's offline, in power serve mode, and if it's powered off. And by having this enabled, you're going to make sure that you can find my phone whenever it's possible to find it. The last thing we're going to make sure is enabled on this screen is send last location. What that's going to do is that when the phone has a critical low battery level, the phone is going to send its position automatically to the Find My network. So if the phone then is powered off because of low battery, you will be able to see the last location, at least where the phone was. Next thing we can do then is to see each other in that video over here, because that is the video that YouTube recommended you to watch next. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.